Let's talk about what cortisol is and how it impacts your body in recovery to a training stimulus. So cortisol is your primary stress hormone. It's released by the adrenal glands. The main role of cortisol is to signal carbohydrate metabolism, but among other things, it also degrades skeletal muscle tissue and a bunch of different proteins. It's released at its highest levels during strength training sessions, where a lot of muscle damage is present during bouts of high intensity, high volume exercises. Men and women have very different responses to high amounts of cortisol in the bloodstream. Women respond to it much greater because testosterone inhibits the catabolic effects of cortisol, and men have 15 to 20-fold more testosterone than women do. If you are a woman who is dealing with a lot of stress that you think is caused by exercise, what I would recommend, instead of completely scrapping strength training and throwing it out the window, is reducing the amount of volume that you're doing. That means the amount of sets and the amount of reps. Now, the other thing that I would very seriously recommend is taking longer rest periods between your sets, so 1 to 2 minutes at least, and taking more rest days between your training sessions. Something else that I would suggest for anybody who is trying to build muscle is do not do supersets, drop sets, lengthened partials, or myo reps. This increases your muscle damage. Muscle damage increases your cortisol level, and cortisol stops your body from being able to synthesize proteins. By doing all of these things, you are decreasing the chances of your muscles to grow.